Hi, this is Bryce, and for this problem we're trying to find y prime of t to the fourth minus 1 divided by t to the fourth plus 1. So the first thing we can do is find y prime. We can apply the quotient rule, which will bring this first term up in here, and we'll be able to just apply the quotient rule. So we'll have t to the fourth plus 1 times the derivative of your second term, which is t to the fourth minus 1. And that's subtracted by your second term, t to the fourth minus 1, times the derivative of t to the fourth plus 1. And that's all going to be divided by t to the fourth plus 1 squared. And now we can simplify these derivatives by rewriting t to the fourth plus 1 times, and then you can apply the power rule to this derivative, which is going to make it 4t, and then that's subtracting 1 to the exponent to the third, and then being this is, since negative 1 is a constant, it's going to be minus 0, minus, then you can just do it again over here, t to the fourth minus 1. We will derive this, we can just use the power rule again, which will bring down 4t to the third, and then just plus 0 again because 1 is a constant, all over t to the fourth plus 1 squared. Now then we can just do some simplifying here and multiplying out. So t to the fourth times 4t to the third will just be 4t to the seventh, and then 1 times 4t to the third will just be plus 4t to the third, minus, we have t to the fourth times 4t to the third, which will give you 4t to the seventh, and then negative 1 multiplied by 4t to the third will just be minus 4t to the third, in brackets, and then divided by t to the fourth plus 1 squared. And if you notice, this 4t to the seventh will be subtracted by another 4t to the seventh, so they'll be canceled out right there. And all you're left with on the top is just going to be a 4t to the third, and then two negatives here and here make a positive 4t to the third. So then that will just simplify, equaling 8t to the third over t to the fourth plus 1 the second. And that's just because I took 4t to the third minus a negative 4t to the third will give you 8t to the third. So y prime equals 8t to the third over t to the fourth plus 1 squared.